Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS Track Saw. The Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS Plunge Cut Track Saw is a professional-grade precision saw designed for ultra-clean, straight cuts in wood. Paired with a 55-inch, 1,400mm guide rail, it delivers workshop-level accuracy in a portable setup. Priced at around $669, this is a premium tool aimed at serious woodworkers and professionals. While expensive, it delivers table saw-level precision in a portable form, making it a long-term investment rather than a casual purchase. Plunge cut design allows you to start cuts in the middle of a board, not just edges. High-precision guide rail system, 55-inch included, ensures perfectly straight cuts every time. Fast and clean cutting performance with minimal splintering, even on finished wood. High-speed steel blade engineered for durability and smooth cutting. Variable speed control for different wood types and thicknesses. Dust extraction compatibility keeps the workspace clean and improves visibility. AC/DC power source flexibility for workshop or job site use. Compact, ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long cutting sessions. Pros: extremely precise and professional-grade cutting accuracy. Smooth plunge mechanism for controlled cutting starts. Excellent build quality and durability, Festool standard. Strong dust collection system improves cleanliness and safety. Guide rail system enhances stability and consistency. Cons: very expensive compared to standard circular saws. Guide rail adds extra cost and storage space needs. Learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with track saw systems. Primarily optimized for wood, limited material versatility. Number 4. Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution R185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a powerful, budget-friendly cutting system designed to deliver straight, accurate cuts across wood, plastic, and metal using a guided track setup. At around $180, this is an extremely affordable track saw kit. It offers professional-style guided cutting features at a beginner-friendly price, making it one of the best value multi-material saw systems in its category. Multi-material cutting capability, handles wood, plastic, and even metal with one blade. 7 to 1/4 inch TCT blade included for strong, clean cutting performance. 40-inch guide track included for improved straight line accuracy. Corded electric power ensures consistent performance without battery limits. Accurate track guided system helps reduce wobble and improves precision. Powerful motor design built for tougher materials like steel and aluminum. Adjustable depth settings for different material thicknesses. Portable kit design suitable for job sites and DIY workshops. Pros: very affordable compared to premium track saw systems. Cuts multiple materials, wood, plastic, metal, with one tool. Comes with track and blade included in the box. Strong cutting power for the price range. Great entry-level track saw for DIY users. Cons: not as precise as high-end professional brands. Louder and rougher cutting compared to premium saws. Track system is shorter, 40-inch, for large sheet work. Build quality is good but not industrial grade. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a professional-grade track saw system designed for extreme precision cutting in wood and sheet materials, paired with a 55-inch guide rail and stackable tool case. Priced around $668.71, this is a premium but highly trusted contractor-level tool. You're paying for table saw-like accuracy, smooth plunge cutting, and long-term durability, making it a serious investment for woodworking and remodeling work. 12-amp powerful motor delivers consistent cutting power for dense materials. Variable speed control, 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute, lets you match speed to material type for cleaner results. 55-inch precision guide rail included for perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts. Plunge cut design allows you to start cuts anywhere on the board, not just edges. Electronic speed control maintains blade speed under load for smooth performance. Bevel range -1 degree to 48 degrees with positive stops for angled precision cutting. Soft Start Plus electric brake improves safety and control during operation. Splinter-free cutting system for clean edges on finished wood panels. Stackable tool case, MacPock system, for easy transport and storage. Magnesium components reduce weight while maintaining strength and durability. Pros: extremely accurate cuts with minimal tear out. Smooth and controlled plunge mechanism. High quality build, typical Makita durability. Excellent guide rail system included in the kit. Great balance of power and precision for professional use. Cons: expensive compared to standard circular saws. Mostly optimized for wood, not truly multi-material. Heavier than some compact track saw options. Learning curve for beginners new to track saw systems. Number 2. Makita XPS01 PTJ18VX2 LXT Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ36V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit is a professional track saw system built for high precision, cordless cutting in wood panels and sheet materials, using dual 18V batteries for powerful 36V performance. At around $779.35, this is a premium cordless track saw kit. It costs more than corded models, but you're paying for cordless freedom, brushless power, and professional cutting accuracy, making it ideal for job site flexibility and serious woodworking. Dual 18V LXT battery system, 36V total power, delivers strong, cord-like performance without cables. Brushless motor, up to 6,300 RPM, provides efficient cutting power and longer tool life. Variable speed control, 2,500 to 6,300 revolutions per minute, for clean cuts across different wood types. Plunge cut design allows you to start cuts anywhere on the material, not just edges. Optional guide rail system, 39-inch rail mentioned, improves straight, accurate cutting performance. Automatic speed change technology adjusts torque and speed under load for smoother cuts. Bevel cutting capability, -1 degree to 48 degrees, for angled precision work. Electric brake plus soft start improves safety and control. Lightweight cordless portability, 11 lbs with batteries, reduces fatigue compared to corded setups. Dust extraction compatible for cleaner workspace and better visibility. Pros: excellent cordless freedom with strong 36V performance. Very accurate when paired with guide rail system. Smooth cutting with automatic speed adjustment. High-quality Makita build and durability. Great for job sites where power outlets are limited. Cons: expensive compared to corded alternatives. Guide rail is often sold separately, adds extra cost. Heavier than corded plunge saws due to dual batteries. Battery dependency means runtime planning is required. Number 1. Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5 inches. Precision Track Saw. The Bosch GKT13-225L Precision Track Saw is a professional-grade plunge cut saw designed for clean, accurate straight cuts in wood and sheet materials, paired with a carrying case for job site convenience. At around $719, this is a premium corded track saw built for professionals. It delivers German-engineered precision, strong dust control, and table saw-like accuracy, making it a long-term investment for serious woodworking. 13-amp powerful corded motor for consistent cutting performance under load. Plunge cut mechanism allows precise entry cuts anywhere on the material. Variable speed control, up to 6,250 RPM, for smoother cutting across different wood types. Track-guided system compatibility ensures straight, splinter-free cuts when paired with Bosch rails. Bevel range from -1 degree to +47 degrees for angled precision cutting. Constant electronics system maintains speed even under heavy load for cleaner results. Overload protection helps prevent motor overheating during tough cuts. Efficient dust extraction system keeps visibility clear and reduces cleanup. Magnesium footplate design improves durability while reducing weight. Easy blade change system with spindle lock for quick maintenance. Included L-box carrying case for organized transport and storage. Pros: Extremely precise and professional quality cuts. Strong motor with stable speed under load. Excellent dust management when paired with vacuum. Durable German build quality. Wide bevel range for flexible cutting angles. Cons. High price compared to standard circular saws. Corded design limits mobility on job sites. Guide rails may be sold separately depending on bundle. Not ideal for users who only need basic cutting tasks. If you're looking for pro-level accuracy and smooth track cutting, the Bosch GKT13-225L is a solid choice. Check the product link below for current deals and availability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and comparisons.